In this guide, we will walk you through the steps to disable automatic restrictions on your Uber account. Follow these steps carefully to ensure a smooth process. Step 1. Open the Uber app. Launch the Uber app on your smartphone. Make sure you are logged into your account to access the settings. Step 2. Access account settings. Tap on the menu icon, usually located in the top left corner of the screen. From the menu, select Settings to open your account settings. Step 3. Navigate to Privacy Settings. Within the Settings menu, look for the Privacy section. Tap on it to view your privacy options, including restrictions and notifications. Step 4. Adjust automatic restrictions. Find the option related to automatic restrictions. This may be labeled as automatic safety features or similar. Toggle the setting to disable automatic restrictions. Step 5. Save changes. After adjusting the settings, make sure to save your changes. You may need to confirm your decision or restart the app for the changes to take effect. By following these steps, you should be able to disable automatic restrictions on your Uber account. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Uber support for further assistance.